Hey, bro, come here. Come here. Come here for a second. Come on. Come a little closer, man. I ain't gonna hurt you. Come here. A little bit closer. Come on. Come on.
Oh, my God.
Only 12% of y'all are subscribed to the channel. Man, it's so easy to subscribe. Make a Google account. Yeah, a Google account. Listen, make a Google account.
Nope.
It's easy, man. All you have to do is go and put your information in. Not much. Why you talking back? Put your information in and subscribe, man. If you're watching my video, you should be subscribed, man. That's gonna help the channel out.
A lot of people back down, Tony. I didn't.
Oh, you still talking trash? Sorry I had to do that to y'all, man. If you ain't subscribed, I don't know what's wrong with you.
Gosh.
I'm sorry guys for that intro, but man, I was looking at some of my analytics. Only 12% of y'all are subscribed, 80% are not subscribed. All it takes is just a quick little Google account, man. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the all so you can get all the notifications, man. I know I ain't the best YouTuber, but man, it can help me out, man. You might like one of my videos, man. You might. No. You just might, man. But what's happening, y'all? Hopefully y'all are having a wonderful day so far, man. Today we are going to work on the C10 again. Man, I'm kind of black going this way. I'm gonna go this way. Yeah, my skin looking good now. Yeah, we're gonna work on the C10. We're gonna work on some rust. We got some rust on some of these bumpers. Bruh. But perfect. Some rust on the bumpers that I'm going to use, and here we go. We got the front bumper right here, as y'all can see. The back bumper is way out there, and y'all see why I got rust on it, because how I do it, man. I be doing these bumpers so wrong, man. I be doing the truck wrong, but we got something else over here too. I want to get your guys' input on it. Let's see if I can pull it out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hold on one second. Hold on one second. All right. What we got here is we got a rear roll pan that my guy, Southern Chevy TV, he sent your boy back in the day. I was going to get y'all input. Should I put this on the truck still, or should I just go with the OEM bumper? Only reason why I say I might not use the roll pan is because it's not on rims yet, man. I think it would kind of look crazy, and it's not lowered. I think it would look good if it's lowered and on rims, you know, the roll pan, and make it look, you know, look real good. But you know, right now I'm on stocks. I don't have any kind of, well, it's lowered just a little bit. You know, if you're new to the channel, you know, I'm just on the stock rallies, and I don't know, y'all. But I'm gonna put a tab up there so y'all can vote and see which one of y'all want to see. But we are gonna go ahead and do some body work on it. You know, just make sure. Oh, why is my tripod always doing this? Make sure you know, there's no imperfections in it. Sand it down. You know, maybe prime it. And if you are new, we're gonna do some Rust-Oleum paint. I know. I'm new to painting, so I'm not gonna spend all that money on no paint, and I'm gonna mess it up. Hopefully, I won't mess it up. But yeah, today we are going to tackle the rust on the back end on this and get ready to prep this so that we can paint. We taking baby steps, y'all. We're taking baby steps, because as y'all can see, I was hoping I could paint it this week, but man, it's gonna be raining and thunderstorming all week. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna be able to get small amount of body work done, you know, through the week. I need to do some more work out there on the driver's side to the truck. I need to sand off that clear coat that's on there now. Well, not sand it off, but you know, knock it down with a Scotch-Brite or 400 grit, 600 grit. Y'all know the deal. All right, I'm gonna stop talking. Let's get to work, y'all. What's happening, y'all? It's another day. I got frustrated because I was trying to take these brackets off, as you can see, and now I see why I left this bumper out there to rust. Because as you know, on these bumpers, you know, it's no kind of bolt head on the other side. It just has this square end on here, and a couple of them are stripped out. As you can see, it don't look that bad. Maybe I can beat it, try to get another bolt in, or oversized one, or I got something coming if I don't have it already coming that can fix that, hopefully. And I got to get these two off. I know it's a lot of work, man. I could have just left it alone and just did what I needed to do, but I wanted to do it, you know, I didn't want any kind of rust behind here. As you can see, you know, those are the weak points. I want to make sure I get that rust from behind there. You know, as you can see, man, it's just a lot of rust. We're gonna get it done. It may take me a couple days, but this one over here, this one might not be as bad, or I might not even do this one. I might just do the roll pan and sell this one. You know, again, let me know in the comment section, what should I do? Should I do the roll pan, or should I just do the regular chrome bump in the back? Only reason why I am against the roll pan for now, because I'm not lowered and I don't have any rims. I think that really would set it off, but if I do plan to do it, it may look good, y'all. I don't know. I'm gonna keep working on this, and you know, I'll cut y'all back on when we get to the process of trying to knock this rust off. I know y'all don't want to see me cutting brackets off, do you?
Nope.
Nah.
Eventually.
The holes aren't too destroyed, but hopefully with what I got coming, man, I might can delete these holes, man. I don't exactly know what I'm doing with what's coming, but I could maybe delete it, man. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I may be trying to jump the gun too fast, too quick. But what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and try to knock out some of this rust, some of the scales off of here, and we're gonna add this bad boy. You know what I'm saying? Try to protect it so it don't rust through. All right, guys, let's get to work.
Jumps the boogie, tiptoe through time. Trust the boogie oogie till I free my mind. Touch the boogie oogie till I feel alive. I feel it inside. I'm feeling the vibe. We like to jam, we got the funk, we like to keep our demands, living with 10 toes down, we got the pump, we like to keep our gas, we like to fly, get out the way, we about to clear out the sky, ain't no fear in the sky, ain't you feeling the vibe, ain't you feeling the healing, I'm spilling this ink from a pen, for the homies doing time in the pen, perfect time in the win, I ain't got nothing to lose, I ain't got time to pretend, and I got God on my side, gave his life for the guy, I'ma live with the Lord, Satan trying to take what I build and destroy, still a children on my knees and I'm praying that my feet don't fail me now, I got the groove, I'm on the front line.
Bye-bye, Chrome. Bye-bye.
2015.
Hey, shoot, I sanded this down with 320. Well, it was 80 grit, then 320. I don't know if I told you guys, but I'm going with a color match bumper. So what we're gonna do next is flip it over and put this Pour 15 back there on that rust. Then we're gonna prime the front so that we can paint it whenever we paint it. I don't know when we're gonna paint it. It's gonna be soon. I got something to tell you guys very soon. Some very, very good news I just got yesterday. So I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna make a dedicated video so you guys can get that video and I can explain everything, and you know, it's coming, y'all, it's coming. But I decided to go ahead and prep the roll pan too. I didn't do anything yet to it, but I'm going to prep that because I don't want to fool with trying to get those screws out that bumper. I'm gonna sell that mug. If any of y'all want it, y'all in the southern area, y'all come get it. I don't want it no more. Y'all can come get it. But all right, let's go ahead and finish this up. Well, I don't know. I might go outside and chill for a minute, man. It's so hot outside. It's ridiculous. But yeah, we're gonna finish that up, and I'll catch y'all back on.
Ain't this life perfect? I took my time and I got a mind full of spurging. Still potty mouth all day, I've been cursing. People look down on me, but that's all surface. I'm surfing with sometimes potty train, pissing and they cannot aim. Breaking valuables the game, cause money ain't a thing. Baby mama on the couch nursing. I used to write love letters to her, not in cursive, she was curving. All them curves that I don't deserve, she was irking. Walking while she working, I was watching, I was lurking. I would bump into her on purpose. Skirt. Tire screeching, stopping short, disc golfing is my sport. Never missed a man though, that is mandatory. Playing with my pops, don't trust him with the scar sheet. I don't wanna go platinum, I just want plastic. I just want the change daily when I hit the basket. Ain't this life perfect? I just woke up and drank a cup full of purpose. I've been feeling calm when this life is a circus.
Man, y'all won't believe what just happened. Man. My son Taj, you know, he's always been running his mouth talking about he gonna beat me in a race, y'all. He gonna always beat me, and I always win. I know y'all wondering why the heck I'm trying to lose weight. This little guy right here, he challenged your boy. He said he faster than me, y'all. I'm gonna give him a head start. First race, he cheated. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna show him what's up, man. I'm gonna show him what's up. Second race, I tried to pull out that Hemi.
You cheated!
And only a 4-cylinder came out. And I popped my hamstring, man. Oh no. I have never felt a pop of my hamstring in all the years that I've been running, man. My true age is coming to realization. And y'all see me sweat. I'm still out here trying to get this thing done, y'all. I got one more coat to go on this one. All of these over here, they're done. I don't know why I'm doing this, because I'm doing a Rust-Oleum paint job. It ain't like I'm, you know, doing a Barrett Jackson build or nothing like that. But I just don't like seeing rust. This other end over here is done. I had to resand this top because it was a little bleeding coming out from the Pour 15 that was coming through the holes and everything. But what I'm gonna probably end up doing is just prepping it, hit it with some etching primer and some of that Rust-Oleum primer, and then prime this up too, scuff it up and prime that, and I think we'll be done, y'all. I can't be out here too long. I want to get you guys out of video. I haven't got a video out in a while. So with that being said, let's get to work. Man, what in the heck is going on around here, man? We got baby spiders everywhere. Look at this. Police! Oh my. Wow, what the heck, man? I was just out here last night. Man. There's always some, man, I feel like some bugs in my nose now. Man, what the heck is going on? Man, thought I'd clean this garage out. Where the heck that crap came from? We gotta clean this up, y'all. Gonna be it for today. Oh man, we're taking baby steps to getting the C10 done and ready for us to enjoy. I got something to tell you guys. I got good news, but it's gonna make some changes to the channel. I just got offered a job over at BMW of South Atlanta, and I'm excited about it, man. You know, if you know me, anything dealing with cars, hey, I'm 100% in for it, man. I'm just all the way in. I love BMW and their brand, so it's gonna be, I think, easy for me to sell that type of car without feeling bad about, you know, giving somebody a bad car. Like if I was selling something like a Nissan or, you know, a brand that I really don't believe in, then it would have been harder for me to sell it. But I think BMW is a great brand, man, especially for you know, especially in the performance area, man. Those M cars, they're something serious, man. But yeah, thank you guys for watching the video, man. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'm hot, my leg hurt. Your boy right here trying to race cars, knowing I'm too old. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Appreciate y'all for the love and support. Hopefully you guys support your boy at BMW. Come by BMW, y'all. All right, y'all. Y'all take it easy. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool. Psych.
I'm so sorry.
Oh no.